In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw curved trend lines using the brush tool in Tradingview. If you've been looking to enhance your charting skills with smooth, visually appealing lines to track market trends, you're in the right place. So grab your mouse, let's dive in and get started. First, let's open up your Tradingview chart. If you're new to Tradingview, these charts provide a wealth of information, allowing traders to delve deep into market data and spot trends. Once your chart is open, turn your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find an array of tools that Tradingview offers to help in your analysis, including the brush tool we'll be using today. Now, find and click on the geometric shapes icon in the toolbar. It's represented by a square or polygon and offers several options for drawing different types of shapes on your chart. Once selected, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the curve option from this menu. This sets the stage for creating those beautiful curved trend lines that can make your analysis pop. Next, it's time to draw your first curved line. Click on your chart to set the starting point of your curve. This initial point should be where you want your trend line to begin. Then, click on your final point where you envision your curved trend line ending. As you click, you'll see a curve forming between these 2 points, and Tradingview will automatically create a smooth line, adding a touch of elegance to your analysis. After you've placed your curve, take a moment to review it. Make sure it aligns well with the trend you're looking to highlight, and if necessary, don't hesitate to make adjustments. Now, if you wish to customize your line further, you can, and I recommend doing so for personal preference and better visualization. Click to open the customization options, allowing you to modify aspects like the color and width of the line. Experiment with different settings to see what works best for you and your chart. To further customize your line, click on the settings to find options like style, coordinates, and visibility. This gives you even greater control, allowing you to refine exactly how and where your curved lines appear. For added precision, use the coordinates option to specify the exact positioning of your curve. The visibility function helps in deciding which timeframes should display your trend line, offering clarity without clutter. Once your customization is complete and you're satisfied with your curve's positioning and style, make sure to lock it in place to prevent accidental changes. Of course, if you decide later that you no longer need it, simply click on Remove to delete the trend line from your chart. Remember, you can always drag the curved line around if you need to reposition it or draw more curves to highlight additional trends. With everything set and your chart looking how you want, take a final review. Ensure it effectively communicates the market trends, ready for analysis or presentation. That's all for today's guide on drawing curved trend lines using the brush tool in Tradingview. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.